Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and book through Skyscanner's partners. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. But with that being said, let's get straight into the video. First things first, simply go ahead and open any browser that you want and search for Skyscanner. And now simply go ahead and click on the first link that pops up right over here. Now, for example, let's say I want to go ahead and book a flight. All I need to do is just go ahead and search for the place I want to head to. And now if I want to go ahead and book this flight, simply go ahead and click on select, and as you can see where it is from. So there's the partners, so my trip is there, there's Kiss and Fly, Thai Airways, trip.com, and vakatrip.com. so for example, if I see the cheapest price on my trip, I can just click on select and it will take me directly to my trip's website in order to go ahead and book the trip directly from there. So that is about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.